Last one. Where are you going?
Put my gloves on.
Cut the top of my right thumb on Sunday and it's hurting. I keep hitting on my shifty.
Oh.
Want to have a quick check if the camera's going? Should already be red, the little camera.
Yeah.
Sweet. Off you go.
We're good?
Yeah.
I don't know how much faster this one's going to be.
Just cruising. Head home now. I forgot how rocky this one was. I forgot how rocky this one was. Whoa!
Sorry.
Fuck. What? Whoa, that was even closer. Oh. There's a log up here, isn't there? I prefer this one.
Yeah.
Here's the log, I thought there was.
Didn't get last one.
Jump, jump, jump! That one's wicked.
That's good.
That's the best one.
Nice and fast.
And loads of technical drops and jumps and there's less sudden slow uphill bits.
Yeah.
That's great. I like that one. That's really good.
Yeah. Couple more jumps and we're good.
Go in front then. I've got the camera still going.
I think he's heading down.
I've got the camera on you.
Yeah. Hello.
Probably be a bit of wind noise. I should have taped over the mic. This shit rocks. The even better thing is, it's good for you. More than good for you, it's fucking amazing for you.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's good for you too, it's a learning curve.